Hi vlog! Welcome to my guys! Ha guys! Dagan gusto makwartahan nga gusto buhaton ng tanan aron lamang maadunahan. Daghan pa maagi aron makakwarta. Magnegosyo, manarbaho. Daghan klases negosyo, daghan klases trabaho. Pero mga tao ron, ilabi na ang mga batanon sa manako, gusto makakwarta sa sayon kuno nga pamaagi. Bisan unsa nay sudlan, hantod sa kadaghan gisudlan, di nakabalo kun aha ang gawasanan. Imbis kadali, nadugay na noon. We all know that there is this new but not that new world emerging now. The online world. What's happening in the real outside world is already happening in the online world in much accessible and efficient ways. Daghan ng warta through online na maligya. PM is the key. PM sent ug uban pa. Pero naay linya gasikat na pud karon. Mao niyang, hi guys, welcome to my channel. Or hi guys, welcome to my vlog. YouTube. Every minute, more than 500 hours of videos are uploaded to YouTube. YouTube has over 2 billion users. Almost 1/3 of all the people on the internet. The first YouTube video was uploaded in April 2005. I know, familiar tang tanan aning YouTube, pero nganong mas gasikat man siya ron? Nganong daghan naman ang the vlogger? Apel ba ko ani? Straight to the point na ta. This Money Monday, I will share that YouTube can make you earn money. But how? Through ads, through sponsorships, through merchandise, etc. But the most common here is through ads. Now, what are the first requirements to be monetized? Number 1, 1,000 subscribers. Number 2, 4,000 watch hours within 365 days or 1 year. Maong di na ta matingala nganong daghan kayong YouTube channels ron. Balikon ko. Number 1, 1,000 subscribers. Number 2, 4,000 watch hours within 365 days or 1 year. 4,000 hours, pwede nimo ikaw ray mo view 24/7 or 167 days. Kaya? The formula is 1,000 subs plus 4,000 watch hours within 365 days equals you're eligible for monetization. Though daghan pa considerations like copyrights, length of each video, ug man pa. Ang pangutana, unsaon nimo para maka 1K subscribers ug 4,000 watch hours within 1 year kung as of the moment na anay 31 million YouTube channels? Ang upload, 500 hours of video per minute. Being a YouTuber might not be wrong. I support whenever there's someone who will create a channel and start greeting everyone, "Hi guys, welcome to my channel." Let's just remember to make use of YouTube responsibly. Dali ra makakuha 1K subscribers o 4,000 watch hours actually. Maka-monetize na dayon ka. Pero, for me, kung saan ka man ang daghan subscribers, pero walay pulos tanan video contents na to. Sayang lang ato ang pagka-influencer. Basta mo na to, friends. This Money Monday, we learned that we can earn money through YouTube. Ugma na po.